Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. So here we have Solana on FTX on the 1 hour. Now, we've been talking about this pullback. All right. We knew we were going to get a big pullback. Here it is. And with Bitcoin heading down, that kind of amplified it. Now, your RSI is approaching the oversold. We are in the bearish control zone. We are below the signal line. MACD got a retest of the signal line and resumption down. Negative momentum is increasing while your volatility is turning up. Basically, we're right on the line to where it would validate to the downside. Right here, right where we're at. If we get a 1 hour closure lower than we're at, I think we come back down to the bottom of the purple region at 116.19 and then come back to it from there. Validation to the upside would be 127.27. Your moving averages have negative slopes besides for the 200, but as we've said before, your 200 takes longer to catch up. Now, this signal right here would have got you short. Now, it was kind of delayed, so people's stops was probably hit there. Now, your 21 is finally crossing your 200 bearish. So, yeah, I mean, Solana's not looking very good on the short term. We did break back below, and we almost made it to where I was talking about at 145. Almost made it. We didn't stay bullish. We didn't keep with the momentum, so that's what stopped us from going to 177 region. So yeah, like I said, if we close 1 hour below where we're at, it's not going to look good. Probably come back down to the bottom of this purple region. Now, if we break this purple region, I could see us coming all the way back down to 110, basically 111, getting a bounce there. Probably coming back down to 105. But that's if we break this level and this purple level, by the way. So, yeah, let's move on to the 4 hour. All right, so here we're on the 4 hour. 4 hour does not look as bad. I mean, we had this huge run up. We knew we were going to get a pullback. Your RSI curled over. We are in the bearish control zone, approaching the oversold region, below the signal line. The MACD is crossing the 0 line on the 4 hour to the downside. Negative momentum is increasing while your volatility is heading up. It's starting to look more and more like we're coming either down to the bottom of this region. Actually, I'm going to move this down, because basically we know that we're at the top of the purple region right now. If we close below that, you could see us coming down anywhere from 115 to 111.72. That's the big support region I'm looking at. If that breaks, like I was saying, 104, then we come back to it and find out where we could possibly go next. So those are my thoughts for Solana. Just watch this level right here. If we get back above 127.23, that's going to look good. But honestly, we need to get back above 128.50 in order to think this pullback's over. Let's put a fib on this real quick to see what this whole move could lead us down to. All right, so yeah, I mean, we got a lot of hot air right here. Now, see, the 382 is all the way down in this purple region, right by it. So we'll go ahead and move our box up, because that could be a big bounce area. Honestly, that would be the shallow pullback. Now, the 618, which is the bear trap region, a bigger pullback, it falls right in line with if we kept going over and fell down. All right, and that's still, we would still be bullish, like on the 8 hour and daily, stuff like that. What we don't want to do is break this. We don't want to break the 618. If we break the 618, I could see us coming all the way back down to where this pump started and give away this whole rally. I don't think that's what's going to happen. I don't think that's what's going to happen. So watch your levels, stay nimble. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.